Woodworking is a creative pursuit. That's why it should be fun and enjoyable. If you feel intimidated about taking up woodworking projects, even when you love working with wood, the problem lay not in you, but in the woodworking plans you are following. Among all the woodworking projects, people find making outdoor sheds complex and hard to execute. But, that should not be the case. In fact, if the blueprint and the shed plan is explained in detail with step-by-step instructions, making outdoor sheds should be a breeze. Click the link in the description below this video for details. If you are looking for the best collection of outdoor shed plans, then look no further. My Shed Plans by Ryan Henderson is perhaps among the best collection of shed plans you can find anywhere today. It is a collection of around 12,000 woodworking plans which are designed to cater to the needs of both professional and amateur woodworkers. With over 20 years of experience in shed building, Ryan is an authority in the field. His plans are explained well with step-by-step instructions. If you follow his shed plans and instructions properly, you will be able to build one with ease. It doesn't matter if your woodworking skills are basic or if you have failed in making a shed before, by following his shed plans you can undertake any such project with confidence. Any person interested in the field of woodworking will tell you how much time and effort it goes into building a wood project. And even after putting in so much effort, the chances of mistakes and failures are pretty high. So much so, that after a time you will feel like giving up altogether. Most people spend a lot of time and money on their first shed project and often end up frustrated because what they finally create is nothing like they wanted to. Why? The measurements were all screwed up. If that sounds like your story, it is finally going to change. With Ryan's collection of shed plans in your arsenal, you will never ever have to look for shed plans anywhere else. Ryan had a difficult time building his own first shed. Wrong material, wrong measures, wrong techniques, all of them didn't help in making the shed any quicker. It took him 6 months to complete his first shed project, and at the end of it he was worn out and exhausted. Even after spending a lot of time reading and purchasing woodworking books, blueprints, nothing seemed to work. Most of the shed plans he bought lacked vital information which left him with more questions than answers. That is when he decided to leave it all aside and build his own shed plans. That was the beginning of his work towards building his master collection of shed plans. After years of toiling painstakingly, he created what is today known as My Shed Plans, the ultimate collection of shed plans you can ever get your hands on. Click the link in the description below this video for details.